Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more viral DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So first up we have a DIY that features some clay. Oh wow, this is a really cool design. Wow, that is awesome. That is definitely a masterpiece. Very cool idea. Love the inspiration. Very nice. So then we have some type of cover for your tissue box. So they're using burlap for this. And this to me seems like a project that you want to do if you're just like bored. Like, why even go through the trouble of covering up your tissue box? I personally don't really get it, but if that's something you want to do, you know. I mean, it would be a great way to like carry it around, I guess, if you wanted to do that. And then we have a DIY by Miguel. So he has a pool noodle here. An old coffee can. And summer season is just around the corner, so we're going to be seeing a lot more DIYs featuring pool noodles. Now this one seems like an easy enough project, like very beginner friendly. And I think he's making like a vase or a planter with this design. Oh, he even did something to the bottom. Oh, black and gold. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. That is remarkable. Now it looks like this person might be making like a key ring. Oh, I think they're doing a marble design here. Oh yeah, wow, this is really cool. I really like the way they did the marble technique as well. That is really cool. Very nice. Oh, and there's a little plant at the top. Oh, that is cute. Very cool. So if you guys are feeling the inspiration to do your own projects after watching this video, definitely be sure to give this one a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more DIY project ideas and my reactions. So we have someone here making some type of light. Very cool project idea. Definitely looks high end, like something you would spend a lot of money on. And then we have a DIY featuring a balloon. Looks like they're doing some paper mache. So I'm going to guess that they are either making some type of lamp or a vase. Or maybe a nice decorative bowl. Okay, yeah, it looks like they might be making a nice, yeah. Okay, so they made a nice vase with that. I feel like this design would look really cool as like an overhead ceiling light though. And then we have some type of paper towel holder DIY. I think I featured this in another video, so I apologize if you're seeing it again. But if you haven't seen it, this is a very intricate design. And this type of DIY is definitely not like beginner friendly. It looks like it takes a lot of work and effort. But sometimes you just want something nice and aesthetic, so that's probably why they went through the trouble of making this. I mean, it looks really cool. Look at the little bird on top. How cute is that? Very nice design. And then we have a DIY that features a paper bag. Very cool design if you're looking for a way to showcase your flowers this season. I mean, it is spring. Most of us are into like nice, colorful flowers. Now for this DIY, it looks like she's making some kind of shelving or maybe like a table. Oh yeah, definitely some shelves. Oh, maybe like a little bookcase. This is really cute. Very nicely done. And she put that in her kitchen. Really cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.